Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Windows Security Update error KB5094126 update not installing problem on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue while updating your Windows 11 and the error code you will see KB5094126, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you need to just type cmd, then open this command prompt. You have to make sure this you have to run as administrator. Right click on that, click on run as administrator, click on yes, and you have to paste this command from my video description link. You can see this is the command. You can just copy paste from my video description link. Just press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. You'll find the operation completed successfully. Then close this window, then click on the search, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find app readiness. You will find here. Double click on that. Startup type should be manual. Click on start. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, you need to find background intelligent transfer. You can see background intelligent transfer service. Double click on that. Startup type should be as automatic. Click on start. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, you need to find Windows Update. Just press W key, scroll down, double click on the Windows Update. Click on as automatic, click on start, then click on OK. After that, just close this window and try to update your Windows. Before trying to update your Windows, you have to restart your PC and check whether your update issue has been resolved or not. After that, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just open your file explorer, go to C drive. Before going to C drive, after going to C drive, here you will find view. You have to make sure that hidden items are check marked. After that, go to program data, go to Microsoft, go to network folder. Here you will find downloader. Open this folder, click on continue. Here you will find QMGR. Right click on that, then click on delete. If you are unable to delete it from here, so what you have to do, you have to just open this service, click on these services. Here we can see background intelligent transfer. Double click on that. You have to just disable it, start, apply, OK. Now try to delete that file. So you have to disable your Windows update also. After disabling Windows update, this file will be deleted. Then restart your file, then restart your system. After restarting, you have to just enable all these services what you have disabled. and close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it, guys. So in this way you can fix Windows update error KB5094126 on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.